Hello and welcome to my tutorial. In this tutorial we shall be making a Linux installer using Etcher. This is a very straightforward piece of software, and yeah, let's get into it. So make sure you have a USB stick of 2 gigabytes or more. So we're going to open up Balena. And you're going to want to select the version of Linux you want. Now that could be Linux Mint, Peppermint or Ubuntu, it doesn't really matter. Any of them will work with this program. I'm going to be using Peppermint, which I have on the desktop. Click open, and we already have our USB installed and ready to go. Now if you have multiple USBs installed, make sure you select the right one, and also if you have any important data on there, please back it up, as the USB stick will be erased. Now once you found the image and you have your USB installed, you're going to want to click on flash. Click yes, and it will now start the process of writing the image to the USB. I'll get back to you once it's complete. Now once it's finished flashing, it will verify the image, so there's still a fair bit to go. Just hang in there. And we're done. Flash is completed. You now have a bootable Linux installer. Thank you for watching. If there's any videos that you'd like to see, let me know and I'll try and make them. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.